Performance Limited, this, the Boeing 727-200F RE. Well, what a tremendously elegant sight this aircraft makes. In its day, it was an enormously successful airliner product for Boeing. They announced this new tri-jet airliner in December 1960 with United Airlines and Eastern Airlines as its launch customers. The objective was for an aircraft for use on shorter haul routes than could be operated by the existing Boeing 707, and to enable it to fly from smaller airports than could the 707, so it was given good short takeoff and landing performance. The first flight of the prototype 727-100 was on the 9th of February 1963. It became the first ever tri-jet airliner to be certificated and to enter commercial service, beating Britain's own Hawker Siddeley Trident. Independent of airport infrastructure at smaller locations. It was the first Boeing airliner with hydraulically powered flight controls. And when it was new, it really seemed to offer the best of both worlds. A combination of space, range, speed and versatility, able to fly lengthy routes from small airports that otherwise weren't accessible by jets. Of course, the 707 had been a significant pioneering milestone, but the 727 opened up far more possibilities for jet travel. Served with them until 2012. But now, as I said, it's operated on behalf of Oil Spill Response Limited, a global, as it's described by itself, industry-owned cooperative which exists to respond effectively to oil spills wherever in the world they may occur. It traditionally has used Lockheed Hercules for its dispersant spraying work, but a new platform was required and the 727 seemed to fit the bill. They looked into several possibilities, among them the McDonnell Douglas DC-9, the BA-146 and the Boeing 737. But the 727 seemed to fit the bill best. Due to its speed, its payload, its range, its safety and its performance, that is. And also the configuration, because apparently the high T-tail arrangement means that the spray that's put out of the spray bars under the rear fuselage isn't disrupted by airflow over the control surfaces. The spray system is a modular palletized installation. The primary aircraft is on call at 4 hours' notice, and the secondary aircraft, which I believe will be joining the fleet soon, will be on 48 hours' notice or as a reserve. The engines, 3 Pratt & Whitney JT8D turbofans. If ever an airliner was associated with the Cold War, I suppose this was, to some extent, it. A mainstay of many airlines. Pan Am used them extensively on the IGS, the Internal German Services Network, including the vital lifeline routes between West Berlin and the Federal Republic. And it was the 727 that showed that jets could operate safely from Tempelhof Airport in that city. Today there are a few 727s left in passenger service. And now that more modern aircraft, like the freighter conversions of the 757, the 767 and Airbus designs are becoming available, the use of these aircraft as freighters is diminishing. Some have started to be operated as very opulent corporate jets, and new uses have been found for others like this one.
That is pretty good. Just caught it from outside and I thought
In the
better
past,
come
of
back in
course,
and
as
see
far as
that.
UK use of the 727 process and the registration process, that man was Dan Griffith, very well known to many of us on the display circuit, and he is captaining the aircraft today, coming in for a final fast pass.
That is a pass, that's a bloody low pass as well. That is awesome.